Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Uphold staking feature. So if you're wondering how to use that, this video is for you. Let's get straight into it. Now, first off, what is the staking? Staking allows you to earn reward on your cryptocurrency holdings by participating in the validation process of a proof of stake that for blockchain. So here are the eligible cryptocurrencies that you can use. So Uphold currently supports staking for the following cryptocurrencies, and here they are. You can see them right there. And here I'm going to show you how to stake on Uphold. So first thing you want to do is to log into your Uphold account. You can do that on the website or on the mobile app. And then what you're going to do is to click on Stake tab on the dashboard. And then you want to select the cryptocurrency you want to stake, and then you need to set the staking amount by you need to just enter the staking amount you want to have right there, and then you can review and confirm the staking details and just confirm the transaction. And then you got to wait for staking rewards. So your staked cryptocurrency will begin earning rewards, which will be credited to your Uphold account. Now, as for when it comes to staking rewards, the rewards are calculated based on the amount of cryptocurrency staked and the staking period. So here are the percentage rewards. You can see them right there. And what else you need to know is when it comes to unstaking. So to unstake your cryptocurrency, just follow these steps right here. And the first is to log into your Uphold account. So you got to go to the Uphold website, or using the website, or you can do that on the mobile app. Just log into your account and then navigate to stake. So you just tap on the stake bar on the dashboard, and then what you need to do is to choose the cryptocurrency that you want to unstake. So whatever cryptocurrency you staked before, you can just now choose that cryptocurrency to unstake it. And you need to set the unstaking amount. Just enter the unstaking amount, and that's and then what you need to do is to review and confirm the unstaking details. So once you do that, that's going to be unstaked and you're pretty much good to go. Now here are a couple of reminders for you guys to note. The first is to understand staking risk. Okay, so you got staking carries risk, including market volatility and potential losses. So the crypto market is quite volatile, so there are going to be risk involved. So you just got to take note of that. The second, of course, is to set clear financial goals. So you need to define your investment objectives before you go into staking. All right, so the third, of course, is to monitor and adjust. So you got to regularly review your staking portfolio and adjust your strategies as needed. You basically got to follow the market. All right, imagine yourself as a sailor, so you got to adjust to the tides, and in some cases when it's not favorable, you got to know how to navigate your way. You can't just leave it all for just like that. So you got to be part of it. You got to be actively involved. The fourth, of course, is to understand fees. So you got to review Uphold's fee structure before you stake. You got to know what those fees are going to be. And of course, the fifth is to use two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your Uphold account. Now that's pretty much it for the video. That's all I got for you guys. I hope you liked it. Hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, because subscription helps us out a lot on this channel. And of course, please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.